Hello everyone. In this video we will see an new exercise on Qlikview. The objective of this particular exercise is how to create a pivot table in Qlikview. So as you can see over here, I'll click on the reload button. I have loaded a data. So for loading the data we have to go to this particular edit script. So this is the data from this particular load. You can see this is the particular data of office city sales. So I have loaded the data. So whenever I click on reload, so the data is being loaded. So office city sales 1890 is being loaded. Now right click and go to this new sheet objects. Then go to this particular chart option. Then click on this particular pivot table. You can also give name to the table, but right now I'll keep as it is. So whichever parameter we want, so we can use it as a dimension. So I'll use as market, state, and this I'll use from the sheet or table name of office city sales. Click on next. I have chosen two dimensions, market and state. Now we have to choose expression. So we want sum from the office city sales, table named as office city sales. Then choose it as office sales. So sum of office sales, click on paste. So the code will get pasted over here. The expression will get basically pasted over here in this expression window. Then click on OK. Click next. 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 So these are basically the table parameters. Just go on clicking on next. And at the end you can click on finish. Now click on, if you want to give any title or any caption, you can give it over here. Click on finish. So this is basically the pivot table. So this is basically the pivot table. We have got two dimensions and one expression. So expression is named as sum of office sales. So I'll enlarge this. Market was there and then state. So in each region, this is the central region market, central market, Ohio and Washington. Similarly, I'll click on east, south, and then west. So these are the states. This is the market, and this is the sales register. So this is the particular pivot table which we can create by using this particular function in Qlikview. So I hope you have understood how to create a pivot table. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.